Welcome to a tour of this historical home, 400 Hatton, our beautiful Victorian home.
Well, good to have you here. We're going to now take a tour.
In a Victorian home, the parlor was the place where the family would gather for special occasions and not so much for just everyday living, so it's formal.
The fireplace came from West End Salvage, and it was completely painted white. We had it stripped and then we refinished it.
About 25 years ago we added this family room on, and when we did that at the time we wanted a fireplace, and this walnut is from my grandfather's building in Lenox, Iowa. There was a staircase of walnut. My parents had taken part of it and made a staircase in their home, and then what was left, our contractor worked with us to incorporate it into this fireplace.
Where we're standing used to be a window on the outside of the house, and we took the window out, of course, and made this archway bigger, and then this became what we have as our family room. Floors are hickory. We wanted the room to look like it has always been here, and so we have 9-inch baseboards.
When we upgraded the kitchen, we wanted it to look, again, that it would match the house but be very modern and able to have the conveniences of today. So all stainless steel appliances. The stove, we had to find a stove that would fit in the opening that we had, and the only thing I could find was an August stove, but it's been a great asset to our home as well as for cooking. And it is a convection oven as well as a regular oven, and pantry is very convenient and large. Cupboards that we chose are cherry wood, and so everything with the countertops and the backsplash and everything match well together. The staircase is the reason in my heart that we bought the house. The view from up and down both are just amazing and bring so much character to the house that I just fell in love with it.
These columns or pillars, there were 8 of them, and they all went up to the top, were the same height, but then they cut them off, and you can't see from where you're at, but there are pegs here, and these are the only 2 remaining horizontal pieces, but they went horizontally between all the posts. So when they cut these off, these are the only 2 that are left. This is the only part of the house that was simply stained. Everything else in the house was painted, which we stripped down, but this we just had to take the stain off, so this has been refinished as well. It had a family tree inside one of these columns. These are hollow inside, so I never thought I was going to leave this place. So the Busby family tree is inside one of these columns.